how to allow or don't allow adding friends in Game Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, we then scroll down and tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Now go down to the Game Center section and then tap on Adding Friends. From the list here, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. When you make the change, you need to enter the screen time passcode if you have set a screen time passcode. So here we can choose Allow or Don't Allow. So select one of the available options and then tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.